Write down Hermitian matrix a square matrix is said to be Hermitian matrix if conjugate of a matrix is a matrix itself. All of you know conjugate of a matrix, which is transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. It means if conjugate of jith element of A is equal to ijth element of A, then the matrix is said to be Hermitian matrix. Now I am writing an example of Hermitian matrix. Now see students, how will you write? How will you write example of Hermitian matrix? I will take one example here and then you have to write in your copy 3 more examples of Hermitian matrix. Now, first of all students, Hermitian matrix is a square matrix. Remember one thing. When you will write Hermitian matrix, you have to write all diagonal entries. All diagonal entries should be real. Right? Now I am writing here 1. And this element first row में or the element which is lying in first row and second column, it should be equal to it should be equal to conjugate of element lying in second row first column. I am writing here 5 plus 3 iota. This is 4 plus 7 iota. This element A12, students, it should be equal to conjugate of A21. It should be equal to 5 minus 3 iota. It should be equal to 5 minus 3 iota. Now this element is 2. Real diagonal entries 2 or this element is A23. It should be equal to conjugate of A32. It should be equal to conjugate of which element? A32. तो A23 अपना पहले कुछ भी लिख लो 7 minus 4 iota. Now see students, this entry it is A31. It should be equal to conjugate of A13. So conjugate of A13 is 4 minus 7 iota. Or students, this entry should be equal to conjugate of A23. Therefore it will be 7 plus 4 iota. Or this is any 5. Or you can check. This matrix is Hermitian matrix. For this what you have to do? You have to find conjugate of a matrix. Now, 5 plus 3 iota studies this. This is 4 plus 7 iota. Right, students? This is 5 minus 3 iota. Right? This is 2. This is 7 minus 4 iota. Or this is 4 minus 7 iota. 7 plus 4 iota. This row, column will become row. Or see, students, you can check. You can check. This is equal to A. This is equal to A. Now, conjugate of a matrix is a matrix itself. Therefore, this matrix, this is the example of Hermitian matrix. This is the example of Hermitian, Hermitian matrix. ऐसे लिखते हैं एग्जाम्पल. एक पॉइंट बताया बच्चों. आप मैन की मेहनत को भी देखो, फिर खुद भी करो स्टूडेंट्स, है ना? करो मेरे बच्चों इसको. And now I am taking example of skew Hermitian matrix. Now skew Hermitian matrix देखो कैसे करनी है, क्वेश्चन कैसे करने, सब कुछ आपको बताया जाता है. कभी बेटा फिर अच्छे से आप कर पाते हो. Skew Hermitian matrix. A square matrix is said to be skew Hermitian matrix if conjugate of a matrix is a negative of matrix itself. Conjugate of a matrix, this one, skew Hermitian matrix. A square matrix is said to be skew Hermitian matrix if this conjugate of a matrix is a negative of matrix itself. Now, how do you find, students? How can you write example of skew Hermitian matrix? I am taking here matrix A. First of all, skew Hermitian matrix should be square matrix. I am taking here example of 3 by 3 order matrix. Or after this, the diagonal entry जो है वो क्या होनी चाहिए? Either 0 or imaginary. 0 या purely imaginary. So this 0, I am writing here 5 plus 3 iota. कुछ भी लिख लीजिए 7 plus 4 iota. But students, listen. This A12, it should be equal to negative of conjugate of this. तो negative of conjugate, पहले conjugate निकालिए. क्या निकला दिमाग में? 5 minus 3 iota. उसका नेगेटिव ले लीजिए, वो क्या बना? -5 plus 3 iota. After this is A23. It should be equal to negative of conjugate of A32. तो कुछ भी लिख लीजिए 4 plus 4 iota. This one is, oh sorry, this entry is diagonal entry. It should be 0 or imaginary. Sorry, I'm sorry here. Diagonal entry 0 ये purely ये है, ये 2 3 तो A22 है, ये this one A23. ये दो एंट्री लिख रहे हैं ना, इस वजह से मेरे को लग रहा है पहले की लिखी दूसरे की A23 है, मेरी A22 और A23. It should be equal to negative of this conjugate of किसका? A32 का. तो ये अपना लिख लो कोई भी 4 plus 4 iota. Now see, this entry should be negative of conjugate of A13. तो पहले conjugate 7 minus 4 iota, इसका negative -7 plus 4 iota. फिर this conjugate of this 4 minus 4 iota, negative is -4 plus 4 iota. ये कुछ भी entry लिख दो, purely imaginary या 0, ये लिखेंगे. This is the example of skew Hermitian matrix. You can check. For checking what you have to do. इसी में मैं क्वेश्चन भी करवाई जा रही हूँ भाई, इसी में क्वेश्चन भी करवाई जा रही हूँ, आपको करनी है. Now, what you have to do? You have to check. For the students, you have to find what this is equal to -a. It means conjugate you have to find. For this, what you have to do first of all? Take transpose. plus 4 iota. This first. Second column will become row 5 plus 3 iota. This 0 minus 4 plus 4 iota. This 7 plus 4 iota. This is 4 plus 4 iota, or this is iota. This is the transpose. Now after this take conjugate. Now conjugate of the transpose of this matrix, matlab conjugate of transpose of this. Now conjugate students 0. The conjugate of this minus 5 minus 3 iota, आपको पता है minus 7 imaginary part के साइन चेंज होने minus 4 iota और 5 minus 3 iota 0 minus 4 minus 4 iota जो आपकी छोटी सी आ गई 7 minus 4 iota students 4 minus 4 iota और clear minus iota. Now after this you have to take negative. It implies negative of transpose of conjugate of this, which is negative of this number अंदर लेंगे माइनस साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे 5 plus 3 iota राइट 7 plus 4 iota minus 5 plus 3 iota 0 4 plus 4 iota 7 plus 4 iota साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे minus 7 minus 4 plus 4 iota minus iota का plus iota. Now see, you can check students. This which is conjugate, this is minus of this conjugate. ये मतलब है इसका is equal to matrix itself, or the meaning of this is matrix is minus of it. Now it is the given matrix it is a Hermitian skew Hermitian matrix. Is it clear? Okay, अब अगला करते हैं. Bye.